Hi guys, this is IBN Shellac Nails with Naomi, and today I'm going to show you how to soak off your IBN shellac that you should have had on for about 2 weeks now. Okay, so first of all you're just going to take some cotton pads, some tin foil and some acetone. You can cut your cotton pads any way you want, but I like to cut mine into quarters, just to make sure it completely covers the nail. Once you've cut all of your cotton pads, you just want to soak them in acetone and place them directly over the top of the nail. You're then going to take your tin foil and just wrap it around the finger and the nail to hold this cotton pad in place. Make sure the cotton pad is still directly on top of the nail once you've applied your tin foil, because you want it to soak in for at least 10 minutes. Once these have been on for 10 minutes, you can remove the foil packet. You just want to take an orange stick and a white block. First of all, you're going to take your orange stick and just rub gently over the nail. Most of the IBN shellac should have come off by now, so you wouldn't need to rub too hard. You can reuse the foil packets, so don't throw them away. Once you've gently rubbed over the nail with your orange stick, you just want to buff the nail with your white block to remove any little bits that might be left. If you're going to apply another layer of IBN shellac straight after removing this one, you want to cleanse the nails after this, and you can go right in and apply your next layer. If you're planning on leaving the nails, at the very end you would apply cuticle oil to the nails to rehydrate them. Thanks for watching guys. If you have any questions, please put them in the box below.